We're here today at the Ann Norton Sculpture Gardens in West Palm Beach, Florida, for an amazing gathering of really special cars in a really wonderful garden, showing the works of Ann Norton, a very iconic sculptor in our area of West Palm Beach, and at one time this was her home. Lovely acreage directly on the waterfront, and a studio containing her massive sculptures. But just get an idea of the type of displays when this beautiful Bugatti racer. We're having a tour, and later on we're going to be talking to Donald Osborne, and he's going to show us his new book. Hello, Donald. Thank you for being here with us in West Palm Beach.
It's terrific to be here. It's an amazing setting with beautiful cars. I mean, I couldn't imagine, and a perfect day. I mean, bright, sunny, clear skies, a nice breeze, just absolutely amazing.
Well, we're very happy to have you, and we love to show you this beautiful weather and want you to come back often.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just get a load of these fine automobiles, beautifully restored, and amazing entertainment provided. Such a great atmosphere for us here at the Ann Norton Sculpture Gardens. Thank you so much. Packard, Delahaye, Packard. It just goes on, and there are more to be seen in the beautiful Ann Norton Sculpture Gardens on the Intercoastal Waterway in West Palm Beach, Florida. We want you to come down to Ann Norton, make a donation. Look at some of the beautiful cars and meet some of the wonderful people that are gathering here, enjoying themselves with cars that you've never seen before. It's an honor to be here as a special guest today. Thank you again so much.